What's up, guys? We are doing a project today at the Discovery Gardens Montessori School off National here in Springfield, Missouri. And we're revamping their playground. We're actually working in tandem with another playground resurfacing company. And the school itself has worked really hard to get a huge grant to be able to pay for the surface. And so this is actually the school that my son attends. And we're going to go ahead and donate about 2/3 of the cost of this project. We are asking for a little bit of pay on it just because it's a pretty sizable job. But we've been getting it started today, and hopefully we'll get it finished up later this week. Here's our progress so far. Got the supervisors here today, just making sure that this playground resurface is going all right. Nope, don't get in the way. Tight squeeze. This is getting one of those new rubberized spray-on surfaces. We're gonna put in the gravel base for the drainage to make sure that the rubber lasts. We started by taking this 12-inch PVC pipe out from around the play area. We pulled 2 fence panels. We had to pull up the sandbox, move the tires. Hey, there's Gavin. First trailer load, first truck load, ready to go. Yeah, this thing's like 90% done. That's what you want to see when you pull up to your job site. Hard working motherfuckers back there. Proud that they're my fucking staff. And what you don't see is that these guys have worked 65 plus hours this week, and they're still grinding, just shoveling nonstop. Beasts of men. Somebody said they're gonna outwork us. Who? With what army?
Wow.